So here's the rungs, the side rungs, into the rear an assembled rear panel, and you can immediately see an issue is that these are not vertical. So the first thing we have to do is get them vertical when you're looking at it from the side. Mm-hmm. That's what the platform does. So now, if you look at them from the side, these are vertical. And this is a trapezoid. We were taking it off of the trapezoid. So we have this assembly. So length of the bottom rung, length of the top rung, run and rise, and then we use this angle here to make a platform that will then hold these vertically. And again, if you hold this up and hold it 90 degrees to the bench top, there's that angle. So that's the angle of the platform, and that gets these legs vertical in this orientation. But look at it from here, they're not vertical. So that's the next part that we need to do, and that comes from measuring the trapezoid at the bottom to get the steps, the riser blocks. So this is the top trapezoid created by top rungs. Set this riser block in there, and that's 2 3/4, and that matches the riser block that we made for the chair without rake display.
Because they're identical at the top.
They're identical at the top.
Okay.
So that's one riser block. Then we need the trapezoid for the bottom rungs.
Okay, pull this off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And the bottom is that height, which is see, top and bottom. So this is 2 1/4 at the bottom, 2 3/4 at the top. And because the middle rung is centered between the top and the bottom, we don't have to measure a trapezoid. We can just split the difference. That would be 2 1/2. Top, middle, and bottom for the rear panel compared to top, middle, and bottom for the front panel. Remember that this is a little more complicated than on the assembling with the without rake display. We just had 2 riser blocks. One was 2 3/4, one was 3 3/4, and the difference in height was because of the difference in rung. Mm-hmm. Shorter run on the bottom, longer run on the top. Mm-hmm. The front panel is always going to be, because it's wider, it's always going to be, the riser block's always going to be taller.
Okay.
Okay. So, and then again, these tops and bottoms were taken from the trapezoid, middles were split the difference. So that's where these riser blocks come from. Now to put that into practice.
Okay.